So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Urvi-Verse, where we talk about MBA life, confidence building and public speaking. And today I have got you a sneak peek in the kind of assignments you can get in your PGDM or MBA life. So हम लोगों को अभी एक assignment मिला है in public speaking and persuasion subject where we have to make a TED Talk video on any of the topic. So I have made my TED Talk video for my project, which I am showing you for the first before the submission. So you can just have a look onto the kind of assignment you can get in your MBA life and do comment and tell me what kind of assignments you get. So stay tuned and watch this amazing video. Before you leave them, watch this.
भैया आप अपना काम करिए प्लीज और तुम इनका रिटर्न का क्या सीन है वो देखो।
यार ठहरे यार, ऐसा मत बोल यार। इनकी शक्लें देख कितनी मुश्किल से मिले हैं यार। दे नीड शेल्टर और तू कह रही है इनको रिटर्न कर दूं।
तुमने मुझसे पूछा क्यों नहीं, डिस्कस क्यों नहीं किया? अपने आप से ऐसी चीजें क्यों मंगा लेते हो?
ठहरे यार, तू दिन भर में हजारों चीज मंगाती है मुझसे बिना पूछे। मैंने कुछ बोला? मैंने अपने मन के 2 चीते क्या मंगा लिया? तू सीन क्रिएट कर रही है।
लिसन, दे कांट स्टे और अभी गेस्ट भी आने वाले हैं। प्लीज मुझे ये फालतू का आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं करना है।
मैं आर्ग्यूमेंट कहाँ कर रहा हूँ? मैं तो बस ये कह रहा हूँ कि ये दोनों कहीं नहीं जाएंगे।
तुम क्या दिखाना चाहते हो? ये क्या है? तुम सोने के महल में रह रहे हो क्या? घर कम, ये दुबई का मॉल ज्यादा लग रहा है। इट्स टैकी, दे कांट स्टे।
They can't stay?
नो।
Does fights have to decide how much you love someone? Have you ever had a fight with someone you love so much? And for a moment, it felt like end. But later, when the silence cooled, all you just wanted to go to that person and just hug them and just say, I'm sorry. Can we get back together? Can we just be like what we used to be? In today's world of fast matches and faster breakups, we are too quick to leave and too slow to say. But not every fight needs to be a goodbye. Sometimes it's just a pause and in a story still worth telling. Modern love is fragile and modern dating is glorifying perfection. Today's dating culture is obsessed with perfect partners, green flag, boundaries, non-negotiables. Though these things matter, but we are forgetting that love is messy. We are humans and humans are messy. We cry, argue, misunderstood, and sometimes we hurt the people we love. So, do you leave your house if any of the wall paints shed off? If your health faucet is not working? If any of your roof started leaking in any of the monsoon? Then why we leave the people? Because of a small storm, because of a small fight. Are those people we love not our homes? Fights don't end love unless we let them. One fight doesn't mean they don't love you. It just means they are human. Their connection is real. But we have conditioned to escape discomfort. We assume they don't care, they don't love us, always do this, they have changed, and we ghost, we block, and we move on without realizing that maybe all they need was one more chance to be understood. All that was just a anger of a bad day or just a moment. You know, the art of repair is in the love in action. According to John Gottman, happy couples don't avoid conflicts, they repair. They say, I'm sorry how I said that. Can we talk again? It didn't mean to hurt you. I don't actually mean that. That's love. Love is not the absence of fights. It's the action of repairing again and again. And the presence of healing. Have you ever seen TVF aspirants Guri and Theria's love story, which is coming onto YouTube? They fight, they misunderstood, they trigger each other. But then what? They come back, they choose each other, they listen, grow, and continue.
वैसे वो चीते इतने खराब नहीं थे।
तेरा तुझसे झूठ बिल्कुल नहीं बोला जाता।
सॉरी खराब तो थे।
आई नो
लेकिन हमें इतनी छोटी सी बात पे ऐसे लड़ाई नहीं करने लेनी चाहिए थी।
होता है, हर कपल के साथ ऐसे ओकेजन के पहले कलेश होते ही हैं। It's okay, it's normal.
Love isn't tested when everything is smooth. It's tested when it is stormy, when it is hazy, when it is foggy. It is tested when you still decide to stay. So the next time you are in a fight, pause, breathe, and ask yourself, is this moment bigger than our love? Because most of the time, it's just the moment. It isn't. Most of the time, it's just a shadow on the love that still shines. Today's fights won't matter tomorrow, but your love will. Choose love again and again, and keep the fights for someday again.